Kublai pi baroch katup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakong san mentaka sngi kilong. Kenria sem uba Mahendro rapsang na Congress syaka BJP. Rakhi burom Thomas Jones ki school sora hak arku ar tarik Jylliew da kajingya kop terko. Kloy ke sorkar ban ai license kamai kali arshaka pekiriu shimet ni company lada biang ki kon. Ban lum menteri rangba ya ke Jylla ban bud din ke tenat puli putih. Bat menta ngini apai shiki Khubor ki bakam bania. UMLA barim ke West Shillong constituency ba Mahendro rapsang hak arpulai tarik Jylliew ula penyesno dekat Jylla syaka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP rengkat kinong senran bat kinong bud jong u. Hakani kesngi la pediang burom yoba Mahendro rapsang da presiden ke Meghalaya BJP Rikman G Momen hak jingdan rengkat UMLA ke BJP ba Khuborjylla bat kinong yalam kani ke parti. Habakran syakila pathai Khubor u Rikman G Momen ulaong kajingwan penyesno uba Mahendro rapsang syaka parti kadaiban penklan yakni kaseng bat ulaya thu hakisngi banwan kindang don kirangba na kiwe kiseng san perthei kibanwan ban penyesno Jylla syaka BJP.
My respected
State President Mr. Khuborjylla, Honorable Cabinet Minister of State Khuborjylla, What Kibok, the General Secretary, the District President, the members of the state BJP units, and then the mandal which are here, and all my well-wishers also completely today to join this grand party. As I take this significant step, I'm honored to join the Bharatiya Janata Party today, the 23rd of June 2026, and stand among the pillars of strong and prosperous India. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing with strength, confidence and global respect. His commitment to nation building, efforts in transforming India into a prosperous and self-reliant country inspired me to dedicate myself to continue public service. The BJP has made it clear that we must listen to the aspiration of the people, and that's the objective I'll take forward. I'm committed to working sincerely for the welfare of the people. I extend my gratitude to the member of this great party for welcoming me into this great family. I will work for the progress of our state, our nation, and I seek the support and the blessing of everyone as I begin this new journey. I'll strive to make our journey together a story of progress, prosperity, a pride for Meghalaya and India. Jai Hind, thank you, Meghalaya.
In politics, every party wants its own party to grow. So we never underestimate other political party. As a BJP, we will work and we will work to win. So there is no question of Paul or Barapsang or Maori or anyone else. So as a party, we are going to work together to win the constituency.
So right now, how many more joinings we are expected to see?
See, in politics, in the party, everyday joining is there. So whenever
Hagasngi kan mau burom ya kajingwan yu kejat u Thomas Jones Missionary na Wales, England, hari lum khasi, hak arpu artarik Jylliew khat pras pa sau puway, hanong saulia sora, ban pen priang ye ka jingit kristan hakini gilum, pen ban ula peno baha ka ban ne junom, hakaba ula sandur bat wanra ye kidak alphabet, dakaba pendan kam de kidak roman, kibaya hap tik pat ka surkun ut, surkun no jong ka ketien khasi. Lengba kini kidak roman kaktian khasi kala embat kalan ne junom hang ni hasla perthai kum balong lem kiktin thong joki weipat kijat bandriu satlak ka perthai. Hakini kasngi ka khasi author society tenat sora rengkat ka Thomas Jones School of Mission sat so pen sora kila penlong ye ka jing terkonia halor ka phang ka jing be teneng ye ka ktin pareng ka pendu borno ye ka ktin khasi. Hakani kejingnya kop terkonia la shimbenta de ki school na kithan sora. Ka Samla yari lang jingap na St. John Bosco Girls High Secondary School sora kala ra ekanam jingjob kum ka Samla bat tibettam rengkat ka song pisa bat ka memento bakerpang. Kaliang persya hakani kejingnya kop kala ra hadu hinyau spa handri pu arpon kan ba kaliang kersan kala yo tang shispa arpon. Hadian kejingnya kop terkonia lapan long sedang kajing lang bakerpang halor kajing peno bha ajong u Thomas Jones hakaba uba Mark A Chalam SDO Sora Civil Subdivision kum ukongsan ha kajing dan lang u principal ka Thomas Jones of School Mission Reverend A Dobry ba Prikshan Karshiying Finance Secretary ka KAS bat bon ba kiriu shampang ki balapoi syakani kajing lang ha kajing kran lengkon u Reverend A Dobry ulaong habangi pule ya ka history jong Thomas Jones. Las ngau thu ba uwan na ka long yeng ka basuk basan bat ka babit babiang habaro kiliang. Hendrei ka ni ka jing aram kam syam lakhang la ye u ban nang ban tho ban pule. Ulaong uni urang kensai ula long ba pro jabing bat u khna u bam minot bam ju pensep e ya la ka por jong u. Dei hakarta ga ba arpusan snem u Thomas Jones u yos ngau ya kajing pasiaw kasur bakanja mensim ban letre kum u missionary shabar jangkari Wales bat lapan kentang ya u hakas snem khat pras pa saupo.
Ya kajing kran kini yo mentak sini. Na penpoi kemau nga ya kawai kesin report nilang kuli bat kedai ke class history. Baru tahu mungkin history kali ini. What is history? Kedua, mapi yang way on. History is study the past on get on. Hamni. Yang so way. Kaya kita history. Tahu on history kali. Jadi polis angkat egi pelajar. You tahu get on. Way po way pelajar kita ke kamera. Ikhna kelami dami ngawai merasa be ngam tip khadu kadai kita ke history ai mata sing atlai ngayon kundia ya kai kita history ang so history kadai jingpuli ya kai ke bapan manundur ya komentar sing kang ba kan ni ya kita ke kan kita ke sampang kuno menteri ban penundur yang kalau ini. Kalau kita kali ke history, nak kalai mentasi niyo ya ke history John kejat Jylliew kasih jongi keba kensaitan. But kani ru kadau bali ba nidap dari jingkel mau yang Reverend Thomas Jones ba awan kiu sini di room joni antara jan asnen hari kini baru kita pesan sen saya tasing betul kita pesan sen ni dangai mau bat ni dangai pertu yang singkong senian Reverend Thomas Jones ya kerja edukasi nan place bune ya ki nongkit kam bat kidukhat khuborkhasi Author Society. Hakajing tit jona hakajing osno jona nilai osno shibun kai kaba khasi Author Society ka yang inti kaba trade man long yeka tin kasi kaba itu dak sarkar bandru daga khanet kaba prala ne kas each schedule jong constitution jong India media. Pada next time, kena kejing election, pada kejing election tapi kanam nong kebelang wan taru kumbala keren inong keren bersua jangan iba khasi ilong ba don ordinance khasi panggil itu ipi pok office jangan ta tapi pet kinu notice kebenyai sebab kita khasi Point ba ako ka civil subdivision jong sora kidon kiwi jadi ki garu ibanguli ki hajong ta tatel pangi persang ruban penyedai kita ki ni kita tin Ray, segi kan kamsalor sene dengan suku.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Ketenat Transport ba Sngab Halang Dhar Ulaong ka Sorkar Jylla kala kloi ban ai lisen yaki riu shimet ni ki kenhun lada ki penbiang yaki kot kisla na kabenta ban penkamai yaki kali arsyaka kumbale ki rapido. Habakran berkilat pathai Khubor usembut Menteri Rangba ulayathu haki kendiat tayo ban wan un salum yaka jingelang na kabenta ban penya chakmat yakani kakam. Ula pentip ru ba ula betha yaki officer ba kin penklan ban petngor bat shimru yaki sin jam persya yaki tu ki bakamai klem dadon ki kot kisla ki babiang.
We have a meeting next week or maybe after 10 days or 2 weeks. We will give license to everybody who wants.
That is
Whether individual or whoever, if the document is in order. From state license, no issue. So that you see, for example, we may give them license accordingly as per the application, but we will regulate them in such a manner so that the stakeholder involved, they cannot put read whatever they want. They have to put symbol or logo so people will know this is official Rapido or something. We have planned accordingly. Seriously, I already strengthened my officer on the field to take action those who are moving illegally on the road. We are under process of doing it.
Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma haka arpulai terek Jylliew ula penyat yaka jingelang bishar benya halor ki kam juga tenat puli puthi ha state guest house taraghar Shillong ban budien ya ki jingdan kam bapher ki badai nadu ka jing pinbit pinbiang ya ki ying school karu kom hikai kabit kabiang jong ki khana school bar khamtam haka bayade bat ka performance grading index PGI. Hakani ka jingelang ki officer ki lapan syai benia abha ya ka PGI badru ya ki phang ban kentiu ya ka. Menteri Rangba ula betha ya ka tenat puli puthi ban penkre ya ka rukom trekam ka bapaka ban pet ya ki jingduna la ka long ha ki jingte ka rukom penya bat kumju ha ka bayade bat ka jing penbiang ya ki jingnang jingtep.
Had a review meeting of the education department. And this is the second meeting in the last 20 days, and this is in regards to our PGI. As you are aware that the rankings for Meghalaya have been low, and we are now working towards improving that ranking. And with that objective in mind, we just had our second meeting, and many steps have been decided. We are going to move forward, and I'm confident that with this kind of continuous monitoring and efforts, we will be able to make the changes that we would like to see in the education department.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ba Sngab Halang Dhar ulayathu ba ka Sorkar Jylla menta kalaya chakmat na kabenta ban yakran bat ka kol ministry jong ka Sorkar India na kabenta banti bat khayi dawyong ha ka Jylla. Habakran berkilat pathai Khubor usembut Menteri Rangba ula pentip ba ha ka jingelang bat ka kenhun jong kinong khayi bat kinong ti dawyong ha ka Jylla ha ka arpu ar tarek Jylliew bat Menteri Rangba kilayakran bun bah kimat ki bayadai bat ka kamti bat khayi dawyong ha ka Jylla.
We had a meeting with all the coal trader associations who lead from that coordination committee between all the three regions, Garo Hill, Giant Hills and Khasi regions. And it was a very, very fruitful meetings and positive meeting. And we listened their suggestions and ideas and we accept their presentation. So it's very, very genuine. So they request us with the present scientific mining system is feasible in the state of Meghalaya, which require large area of land. So that is point number one. So we are ready to move to the government of India to request them to reduce the size of mining area, at least so that our local miners can do minings accordingly. And number two, so we will request the government of India to give us the permission to grant the license from the state level for a small miner, if possible. So this is the discussion. So we are committed and promised to our beloved people. We will move immediately to the government of India. We will request as per request by the our coal miner association. From yesterday itself, only CM only talked to Delhi, 6 appointment. Even he last yesterday, as soon as the meeting is over, our chief minister already connected with the coal ministry. When
Sorkar Meghalaya kalapan kre ban pelat sakumba khat sandli ki bos jongi ban pensuk di kalet kawan jongki pat ba. Yakini la yathu do sembut menteri rangba ba asnya balang dhar da ka ba ongru yakini ki bos en sapelat pat ba hakalai tarik naitung banwan. Hakaju kapor ulayathu en sa penbet yaki jaka kamai katkum ki jingdan kam joki pat ba kani kanong ba.
time to time with the bus operator or with the driver, we request them the bus should be maintained properly, nicely. It should not be in such a manner after only 1 2 years, only the bus should be condemned. So we keep requesting the one who look after the bus. So that is on the job from the department. Even this last one I called meeting on this, make sure all the bus should look perfect, should look nicely. People would like to sit on it also. We keep requesting them. Don't worry. It seems on 3rd July, I'll inaugurate the new buses with different line. As informed in ISBT, it's on 3rd July 11 o'clock, I will be releasing another bus with different routes. More or less 15 plus. 15 plus, more or less. Some of them by the operator, a mix. Because frankly speaking, some of them from planning, some of them from municipal, some of them from motor, it's mixed. Not the same for all. We are requesting them to, they should maintain the bus properly, especially from now on.
Badai kitu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kabakot tarhadu bangindaya siyambiyang Khublay Shibon.